Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm sitting on the floor today because I have a haul. It feels very weird to be hauling things that aren't mine, but I asked you guys if you wanted to see what I got my boyfriend for Christmas. I had a few people comment that they would love to see that because they're running out of ideas to give their boyfriend. I'm just gonna personally tell you guys what I got my boyfriend. So everything will be linked down below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment to support me on my channel, and let's get into the video. Firstly, we'll start off with miscellaneous random items, and I'm gonna start with this one because I just want to get it out of the way because I don't want to make you guys uncomfortable. But I got him the Manscaped Lawnmower 3.0. I don't know, I listened to Call Her Daddy and she did an ad about this, so I bought it because she had a discount code, and I've heard just a bunch of people talking about it. I don't want to go into much depth about what it is, but it's a shaver for like, they also have a bunch of different gift packs online where you can get like, I believe, a face shaver and everything with it. So there's a bunch of different items that you can get, but I just got the single shaver. It's like the new one, the 3.0. I'm gonna have some discount codes linked down below if I can find any. Specific razor is like meant for shaving down there, so it gets the job done. I don't know, I feel like any shaver, if you get one for their face, they would really like it because I don't know, I just feel like guys are not really good at buying stuff like that or knowing what to buy. Here are all the specs on the back. Again, I will have a link down below if you guys want to go check it out. It's like waterproof and everything, and it's rechargeable, so that's awesome. And I also just got a single replacement blade. It says that for proper hygienic use, you're supposed to change it like every 3 months or something, but if you guys do order this online, be careful because they do automatically sign you up for a subscription service where they automatically charge a new blade to your card and ship it out every 3 months. So if you don't want that to happen, you have to like create an account from the order number and email that you purchased from, and then go into your account and cancel the subscription. Like, it's so annoying to do that, and I hate when companies do that. Like, that's just really where they get the money from you because a lot of people don't realize or don't know how to stop it. So just be aware of that. But that is like the first, I guess, one of the major things I got him. I believe it was like $100. It came to like $120 after tax and shipping and everything, and there are some discounts. Like I said, I'll have them linked down below. Another miscellaneous random thing that I got him is this Lavender and Cedarwood essential oil sleep spray. So if you guys watch the vlogs, you would know that I actually have this for myself and I'm obsessed with it, and whenever I go sleep over at Jay's house, I always bring this and like I spritz the room and he loves it. It's not something he would buy for himself because like he wouldn't go to Bath and Body Works and buy this, but I know he will really like it and actually use it. It's a good, just like cute little self-care gift. I think this was like $20. Another gift that you could give your boyfriend, which I usually do every single year, is give him socks and underwear, and it's just such an easy gift. If you're running out of ideas and need some last minute purchases, those are always good. I usually get him the American Eagle boxers because they're pretty affordable and they have like funky patterns and stuff like that, so they can be really festive. And then for socks, I just get him Nike Crew socks. So I'm gonna have those linked down below as well. I'll probably order those online, the Nike socks online as well, to go with the next thing that I'm about to show you guys. Well, I got him Nike socks for his birthday, I believe. This was one of the other major purchases that I got him for Christmas. It is Nike Blazers Mid 77. These shoes are amazing and he's been wanting them for a really long time. He actually knows that I bought this for him, so here is what they look like. I'm not a sneaker head, like I don't know the specs and everything, but they're really nice. They're a high top leather sneaker. They have this really cool cream color. It's different than the actual sneaker, and then it has a suede feature on the toe and then right above the sole on the outside, and then the swoosh is suede and black. They have a bunch of different colors too. I know they have black, and then you can get the swooshes in different colors, but I personally just like the basic white ones with the black because they're easy to wear and they go with absolutely everything. That is what the tongue looks like. These are a really good everyday wear sneaker, and Jay is really tall, and I've heard that these shoes look good on tall guys. I think Delaney said that, so I just bought them because she got them for her boyfriend. I know they're gonna look good on him, so if you guys need some new sneakers to get your boyfriend, sneakers are always a good gift. These are a really good option, and they're new too, so not a lot of people have them, or probably a lot of people will get them for Christmas, but they're still relatively new. Christmas last year, or his birthday last year, I got him the Nike Air Maxes, so there's so many different Nike shoe options. I would get him Jordans, but he doesn't like them, so these are the next best thing. I believe these came out to $120 or $130 after tax and shipping and everything, and I did get a discount code with them on Honey, so just look on Honey when you're at the checkout, and I bought them on Foot Locker if you're wondering. So next, I guess we can move on to clothing pieces. These are actually going to be gifted to him from my parents, but I thought I would still show it in this video because it's another piece that I can show you guys. So they're just the Nike sneaker length joggers. We got these from Champs in the mall. He knows he got these as well. Honestly guys, I'd rather just go off a list or like go shopping with them so that they know what they're gonna like. I have a few things that he doesn't know that he's getting, but it's always just easier to get someone something that they ask for or just ask them. I got these in a size large. If you guys are wondering, he's like 6'2" or 3", so they should fit him. If not, we can always return them because we didn't try them on. He didn't try them on in the store, and they were $68 Canadian. They're just basic black Nike joggers that have the cuff at the bottom, and then they also have the Nike logo and swoosh on the left thigh, and then they have the snap pockets on each side, which I heard from guys is very important in their shorts and like sweatpants and stuff. Button closures and zippers are always really nice so that your phone doesn't fall out and stuff. So you get extra points if you get sweatpants or whatever that have those closures. They have a nice thick band. They have a drawstring to tie them tight. Also had gray if you're not into the black, but I just love black. Just a classic sweatpant color, and it's a little bit more dressy than gray, in my opinion. Nike sweatpants or any athletic brand like Adidas or something is always a good gift to give. In 2020, you can never have too many sweatpants, and they're cute and trendy, so they're gonna love it. Next, we are moving into hats. So he is obsessed with hats, so I have 4 different ones to show you guys. So his favorite brand, or I guess style of hat, is the 47 adjustable. I don't know, that is the sticker on it. And that is what the side looks like. I'll have this exact one linked down below if I can find it. It's the one that has the hard front to it and the baseball cap with the adjustable Velcro in the back. I don't know, apparently there's like specs to hats like these, and this is the specific kind that he likes. I swear to God, this is like the 4th Toronto Blue Jays hat he has, but I don't know, he likes them. Apparently they're all different. They have different colors and stuff. So that is the inside tag as well. We got this from Lids in the mall. They have a bunch of different hats, and there's like a bunch of sales going on as well. Oh, here's the tag. I don't know if you guys want to see all the specs on that. If your boyfriend's a hat guy, these are always a good gift, and I believe this was on sale, so it was only $20 or something. And this as well will be gifted from my parents. We picked it out when we were at the mall for him so that they knew what to get him. And then moving on to Urban Outfitters, I have 3 different hats that I got him. So the first one, black trucker hat that has these 3 smiley faces on it. I originally actually bought this for myself. Shh, I'm not gonna tell him that. I'm just gonna tell him I bought it for him, but it is too big for my head. As you can see, I have a very small head, and I got this from the men's section, so it just looks weird on me. And when I bought it, he was like, I want that, that's nice. So I know he's gonna like it, and I'm just gonna let him think that I bought it for him. $39 Canadian, but I got it on sale. I believe it was $20 because they were having 40% off all of their hats, but it's just the trucker style. So it has like the prominent big cap in the front, and then the back is mesh. I don't know, it's fun and it's different than all of his other hats. And lastly, I have 2 beanies that I got from Urban Outfitters as well. They were both on sale for their 40% off outerwear, like mitts and hats, scarves, and all that stuff. So I don't know what it's called. It doesn't have it on the tag, but it will be linked down below. So I got a taupe one and then I got a gray one. They're actually in different styles, but they look very similar. So this one is supposed to be a loose fitting hat. I think this is the hat that you wear like on the very tip of your head, like over your ears and stuff like that. I don't know, I see all the skater boys wearing hats like that, so I just thought it was nice. And he only has one other beanie, but I just got this charcoal gray one, and this one is like a very stretchy loose fit, where this one is like tighter and doesn't stretch as well. It stretches, but it's not as loose fitting as the other one. I think that one was described as a loose fitting hat, so I'm not sure if he's gonna like this one because it looks very small and his head is like massive, and this like looks small even to be on my head. So we'll have to see, updates to come. Obviously we can just return it if he doesn't like it. One thing that I'm very grateful for, maybe just because we've been dating for so long, is that if we don't like something that the other person has given us, we can just easily tell the person and return it and get something else that you will actually wear and like. Obviously, it's the thought that counts with gifts, but also you want to get someone something that they're actually gonna like and not just gonna be sitting in the back of their closet and they're never gonna wear it. Do you know what I mean? That is actually everything that I got him for Christmas. I hope I helped you guys out if you're looking for some last minute gifts to give your boyfriend, a best friend, a brother, cousin, like I don't know who you're gifting, but I hope this was helpful. Everything will be linked down below. I just posted what is on my Christmas list and what I gifted myself for Christmas. So I'll have that linked up in the card here if you guys haven't seen that video. Leave a comment of what you are gifting your boyfriend or any male in your life so that maybe I can grab something else and add it to the list last minute. But I will see you guys in a few days. Bye.